Hey, hello, welcome to my YouTube channel where the unexpected is always on the menu. I've got something mind-blowing for you today, and trust me, you won't see it coming. I know you've been looking for ways to change or turn your current Gmail to a US Gmail account permanently without going through the hassle of phone number verification, okay? Or maybe you just stumble on this video and wonder if it is possible to change or switch your Gmail from your current location to a US location without phone number verification. Just want to tell you that it's possible. It's very possible. So but before I dive in, I just want you to like, okay, hit the subscribe button and comment below after the end of this video in case you have any question or you're not clear with the method, just want to ask a question. Just feel free to put down your question in the comment section and I'll reply you as soon as possible. Okay, so let's go straight to the video as I show you how to permanently turn your Gmail from your current location to a foreign or US location without phone number verification. See you on the other side. Alright, before I get started, I'm sure you already have a Gmail account, so you just want to switch from your current location to a US location. So all we'll be needing is I'll use this account as for the tutorial purpose. Okay, so this is one of the accounts I created in my previous video where I was explaining how you can create multiple Gmail accounts without phone number verification. You can go through my playlist and you'll find it there. Okay, so I'm going to use one of the accounts I created in course of creating that video, which is this very particular account. So I just want you to be sure that it is really a Nigeria account. So let me show you, and I have proof here. So I'm going to show you the proof where you can get to see the location, and then I'll show you how to change it. Okay, so I'm logged in already, so I'm sure you already have your own account. So you log in and you change your own location. Okay, before you get started, there are some tools you need to have. They are friendly, easily available, which is your VPN and your browser. Those are the two major tools or apps you'll be needing. Okay, so let me quickly check the location for this particular account. So you see, you just have to click on this icon, then you scroll down, and you can see the location here is Nigeria. Hope you can see Nigeria. So I'm going to turn this account now from a Nigeria account to a US account permanently without Google asking for a phone number verification. Okay, so let's go straight to it. So I'll go back, and first I want to create first thing is to create. Okay, first you need to have your VPN available. So I'm going to show you the VPN I'm using. Okay, so this is the VPN I'm using. As you can see, Windscribe, that's the name. So first I'll need to turn on my location. I have to turn it on. We have both paid and free version. Okay, the version I'm using right now is the free version. We also have the paid version, but it's the same thing. Okay, it has the same purpose. Alright, so the next thing you want to do is to create a new browser for this particular reason. So I'm going to show you how to create a new browser or multiple browser from scratch. Okay, so to go about it, you just need to come here. So I'll be using Mozilla as example, so you have to come here. Alright, and have to create a profile. Alright, so you open and create a new profile for this purpose. So I'm going to open my Firefox and create a new profile. sorry, it's loading. I have a lot of profile created already with this particular Firefox, so that's why it's taking some time to come up. Okay, so we're going to wait for it to come up. Alright, so I'll have to click it again and see if it will come up. Okay, it's up, and first thing I want to do, like I said, is to create a profile for this particular account I'll be using. So normally I'm supposed to create a profile, you name the profile, so I'll come here and click on create profile and click on start Firefox. Okay, then click on next, and let me rename this profile. So I'm going to rename it to the browser I'll be using. So this is the name, I'll call it now. Let me see. Okay, then click on finish, then click on exit, or you just close the tab. Alright, close the tab. The next thing you want to do is you create a shortcut. Okay, create a shortcut of this particular browser. Create shortcut, click on yes, and you rename the shortcut. Okay, so I'm going to rename it to so make sure the name of this browser is same with what you rename it with. Alright, same username. So I'm going to come here. Okay, right click on it, then scroll down, click on properties. So I'll come here, I'll put space, the name of the browser, then space, then a minus, no, minus, remote. Okay, then click apply and OK. Alright, so next thing I want to do now is so I want to open the browser. You see it's going to start as a new browser, fresh browser. Okay, so I suggest you always create a browser for a new account so you don't mix everything up. Okay, that's what I always suggest, create a new browser for a new account. Alright, so it's up now as a new and fresh browser. So all I want to do is I'll come here and just click on typing gmail.com. Alright, so before I continue, I still need to go back and check out the name of this account so I can easily log in. What's the name again? So this is the name. I'll just copy it. So this is the name. Okay, so I'll just copy. System is slow. Okay, I just ground the name so it will be easy for me to sign in. So I'll just type it in. Alright, so that's it. So I click next. I have a lot of things running on my system at the moment, heavy applications running at the same time, so that's why I'm having this slow response. I think I have to close down some things, especially background software. that are running at the back end of the system. So all I want to do now is type in my password. Okay. So I have to go again. I'm not too sure it's correct. So I have to go again. Alright, so click next. Okay, it has signed in already. If you can see, it has signed in already. So that's the main process to follow, and trust me, this method is permanent. You don't need to log in, log out, or wave around with your location. It is a permanent method. So how do we confirm if truly this account has changed location? So I'll come here and okay, I'll come here and then click on YouTube. So I have to use YouTube to verify the location. So use YouTube to verify the location. You can also use this method to create multiple accounts. So I'm only using this one method for you. You can create as many as you want. Okay, you can create unlimited accounts as you want. So once I'm done here, I'll go back to the other side and log out, so it doesn't start confusing Google as per which location is the real location. So I'll log out from the other account and come here and start using this one always. Okay, so I just click here. So I just want to get the location. So I'll click on this icon and so scroll down. Wow, what you can see, it has changed to the United States. Hope you can see it here. The location has changed. So that's how to do it. If you have any question and you are not clear, drop your question in the comments section. I'll respond. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video. And also you can go through my videos or my playlist and see other content I created. Okay, I'm sure you like them. So don't forget to subscribe. See you in my next video. Bye.